Hi MTV, welcome to my crib.
So, welcome to my apartment tour where I live with my husband in the inner west of Sydney, Australia. So I think a good place to start is probably the entryway. This is what you see right when you walk in to the right, and it's where I keep things just to go out and then have some cute little decor, and where we keep all our shoes and that. So right when you walk in, this is what you see. The whole living space is right here. It's all in one. It's a very small apartment, and this is what it looks like from all angles. I just love the whole living space being in one. Even though it's small, it's perfect for what we need. So let's get into this kitchen space. It is kind of an odd layout. It's just a wall, but the fridge is kind of down the hallway a bit, and we've backed up our couch against it, which I kind of like that we've done that, even though it's a bit different.
Our kitchen is so funny because it's literally just one wall, but I do feel that it has a lot of space. I cook in here, I bake in here, I love using the kitchen, and I really love my glasses, so I have to show you.
I love my collection of funky glasses. I have this set from Kmart. If you're Australian, you know. And yeah, I just love all the stuff I have. I just feel like it's a fun collection.
My mugs make me really happy. This one has a little flower handle. And this one I got in Colombia when I was just there. It has a little elephant sculpture on the inside. If you don't know, I love elephants. If you are looking for classy, affordable glasses, go to IKEA. These are from IKEA. My giant wine glasses are from IKEA. And I just feel like I look so bougie, and I did it on a budget. In my household, there is always a pot of rice on the counter because I am a Colombian woman, and I'm pretty sure it's just a rule.
Now let's get into this dining area, not so much room.
I love my table. I just got these on my last trip to Colombia too. Everything that I'm getting from Colombia is just to make my house beautiful. I went there with the sole purpose of buying home decor because that's what I love.
So I spend a lot of time at this table, and I love the way it looks. I got the chairs thrifted on Facebook Marketplace, and I've added these IKEA chair pads that just make it so much more cozy and like amazing. Now let's get into the living space, where I spend the most time, where I watch TV, where I hang out, and I love it. I have a couch from IKEA, a lot of my stuff's from IKEA. I mean, I'm just now building a home for the first time, and that's really the place to go. But then I also have a lot of eclectic items, got my rug off Etsy, and a lot of the stuff I have on my cabinets and stuff are like very sentimental and from a lot of different places, or just thrifted, honestly. I love hunting for the perfect pieces. And then of course thrown in Kmart again. I love it so much. It's the best. And yeah, my pillowcase is from Colombia also, just on my recent trip with family. And a lot of my pieces are, artistic and really me.
I keep my design books on the shelf in the living room, and I kind of have them serving a purpose, serving looks, and then some cool magazines, design stuff, and yeah.
So the bookshelf kind of separates the space into my desk space.
You guys probably saw my desk space video, but if you haven't, go check it out. And if you're just watching this randomly, I'm a graphic designer. This is where I work, and that's like what my whole channel is about, so yeah.
Hopefully you guys go check out that video. It has a lot more of the details of my desk, but my chair is probably the main thing that I love and made sure I had in this apartment. And then unfortunately, there is the dark corner that is my husband's desk, but it was the perfect spot in the apartment for it, fits perfectly, and that's where he can keep his stuff. And honestly, with what I've done, I've made it cute.
And after the corner little desk area, this is the laundry behind here. It's a room, it has a sink and all of that, and the washer and dryer back there. But yeah, also not the prettiest to look at. I'm not gonna show you all the deets.
So going back in another direction, which PS, I want to put a rug and some art right there in the hallway, but who knows. We are moving to the bathroom. The bathroom is the bathroom. I mean, how exciting can it be? I really like what I've done with it. Put a little cabinet, I love my towels. Like, my towels are my favorite thing, my little beauty station, and I've tried to make it cute.
The bathroom is nice. I love the bathroom. I love how big it is. I just hate that we don't have a tub. I know that's like probably a luxury. I feel like we got laundry, we got a balcony, so we should be happy with everything that we have. But yeah, no tub, and I think we just both really love baths, so it's kind of a bummer. Sometimes I'm like, oh, I would love to take a bath right now, but oh well.
And here is a little more detail of my adorable towels. I went with the checker print because I know that's popular and I love it too, but I didn't want to overdo it, so kept it to the bathroom only. And now it is time to move on to the bedroom. This is where I relax. I don't do work. I lay here, I read, I relax, and I love it. I have some extra storage, I have a dresser, and I love what I've put on my dresser. I just make it a really pretty, nice space. Honestly, very girly, but I love. And honestly, best purchase is the IKEA Hobbit mirror. You will not regret it if you buy it.
So our bedroom is quite small, but I love it. I love how it feels, and honestly, I think my style has been changing lately. Like, I still love things like this, my Flowers of Michigan picture, which is where I'm from, so a little piece of home. So things like this are still me. Obviously, all the pieces I have are still me, but I feel like I could elevate it, like definitely could upgrade the bed. Yeah, maybe like change out some pillows here and there and like make it a new style, but all of this we got just really quickly, and we kind of thought, okay, these are good pieces and they're good for now, and you know, we thrifted some things. I got this on Facebook Marketplace from IKEA, I think it's old, and you know, we'll just upgrade in a bit when we have more money or something, and like we actually have more settled of a mentality, and I think right now it's good for now.
Definitely good for now, but yeah, here are a bit more details of the bedroom. I just love it. It makes me happy. I'm currently about to read that, so let me know if you've read it. I'm interested. And yeah, I don't know, like, it's just my space. I definitely want to put art on the walls more, but it's what we have.
These are my cute little stuffed animals. This is an elephant from the Sheldrick Trust. It's because I sponsor an elephant. I have one. And this is a wombat that I got in Tasmania. And this is an alpaca that I got in Ecuador, because all of these are from very important things in my life. We also just have the fan in here for summertime, but then I also have some of my nicer items and like bags that make me happy in the back. That's kind of like my little fashion corner. I used to have my bags there, but I realized it's probably not good for them to leave them out, so I have them in my closet now. Okay, my closet is not that clean, but here's a little sneak preview. You just kind of push all the doors in our apartment, which is kind of weird, but whatever. This is a little sneak preview. That's my closet. Okay, it opens on both sides, but I don't want to show you the mess.
And then coming outside, I just wanted to show you the balcony. We have a couch out here. It's a bit of a big space, so it's nice, and I love having outdoor space. And then coming back into the apartment, this is what you see walking back in, and I just love it. So overall, that's my apartment. It's definitely a work in progress. We definitely want to put more art on the walls around. I might be making something for the apartment, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's been a big transition into everything and making this a home together as a married couple. And yeah, it just makes me so happy, and I hope you enjoyed this. We really love living here in Sydney. It's a bit of an expensive city, but we make it work. I mean, we live in a small apartment and there's two of us. I mean, we do what we gotta do, right? So yeah, I love it here, and I definitely wanna make more videos about living in Sydney. Bye, y'all.
Oh my god, I just had to film that intro by myself with this this is a tripod with the door open. My whole building could see. So I hope I heard someone right away. That was so embarrassing.